So I am at AnneMichelle Hair, which is going to soon be called Encore Hair Center, and I am getting my very first AlmaTED treatment, and it's for people with androgenetic hair loss, which is basically genetics and hormone related hair loss issues, male pattern baldness, female pattern baldness. I have been shedding for quite some time now, a few years actually, and so this is a brand new treatment. It's not been out for very long, and I'm really excited about getting this. You get a treatment once a month for 3 months, and then you do follow-ups once a year?
Depends. Every 6 months to a year, depending on what your scalp needs.
Okay. And it's FDA approved. And what else? What do you want to tell the people?
It is the latest in non-surgical hair restoration treatments, and the results have been really amazing thus far. You can expect to see results, start seeing results. Some people see it in as short as 2 weeks, others within a month. I know personally myself, I started feeling results in 2 weeks, as have all the other people that have begun the TED with me. And
now, what do you feel like? Little stubbles when you're touching?
Little stubbles when you touch your scalp.
Yeah.
You can actually feel them. You can't really see them, but you can certainly feel them. All right, that was it. That was 2 minutes for that section.
Okay, and we're going to go on to another section. There's 5 sections that she's doing. And anyway,
I'm going to be applying.
This is really exciting, and if you live in the Hudson Valley, well, if you live anywhere, I mean, obviously I'm promoting AnneMichelle Hair right now.
Turn your head a little bit. So we're going to be applying the serum. Even though there's a needle, don't be scared. That doesn't touch your scalp. It only directs a very focused stream of the growth serum. So I'll spray it onto the part, and then I pat it in. Make another section. Again, very controlled stream of the peptide serum, pat it in. We work in 5 sections throughout the frontal temporal area, which is here, the top, the crown, and the vertex, which is the back of the head. That's what we treat. And it's very relaxing. Are you relaxed?
Mm-hmm. I'm having a hard time holding my phone up.
She's got a couple jobs right now, but yeah. Now we just pat it in, and then we begin this section.
It's running down my ear.
You just can't wash your hair for 24 to 48 hours. That's the only stipulation. And if you're going to color your hair, wait a week. Wait 3 days to a week.
So this is pain-free.
No downtime.
No downtime. Yeah, I mean, who doesn't want to love their hair again?
I do. We all do.
Yeah, I do.
We all do.
I wash my hair, and I just handfuls of hair. It's just sickening, disturbing. And I know there's so many people out there who have the same issue, and you probably wonder how you're not completely bald at this point.
Yeah. Well, I am a certified trichologist, and my specialty is helping people with a variety of hair loss issues and concerns, and state-of-the-art replacement and regenerative therapies. This is a regenerative therapy that is unlike anything else up to this point that we've had before, and which is why I brought it onto my practice. It's incredible. It's incredible.
AnneMichelle Hair is in Rhinebeck, New York. There, I'm sure, are hair centers all over that offer AlmaTED. So if you live somewhere else, but if you live here in New York, come and see AnneMichelle.
Come get, it starts with a consultation and a scalp analysis, so I'll know how to tailor your program. We always have to start there. But yeah, come get the AlmaTED. It's incredible. What do you feel, Jamie? Do you feel?
I just feel like you're massaging my scalp, and it's a little warm, which is nice.
That's it. That's the ultrasound.
That's it.
That's the acoustic cavitation.
And I hear like a little whirling.
Yeah.
Like a little nothing.
So
nothing you can't handle.
So you can see, like, right immediately where I did the AlmaTED, it's slightly pink, but where we started earlier today, just, a few minutes ago, it's already returned back to normal. So we definitely want that vasodilation, and because that brings nutrients to the scalp, as well as we're pushing the growth serum, which is a peptide serum, into the base of the hair follicle. We're all the way down to the dermal papilla. So it's amazing. Now we've got one more area back here that I'm going to have to raise Jamie up just a bit. Good. You're good. Right there. Can't wash your hair for 48 hours, but the serum soaks in. It doesn't give you greasy hair or anything. Like, in 20 minutes, she's not even going to know that, like, look how that's already soaked in. Looks nice. Some people report, like, within the next day or two, that their scalp feels tingly, like the first day. I didn't experience it, but I've had some other clients that said they felt slight tingling, but that went away by the second day. Something's working. Everybody says, something's working. That's the place.
Before we started, she took pictures, like gazillion,
very detailed,
gazillion, gajillion, gamillion times magnified,
right,
of my scalp, and I will try to share one of those photos later here on my Instagram account, so you can see what my scalp looked like before, and then when I come back in a month, we'll see what the difference is.
And that program allows us to track all kinds of growth metrics that we will never be able to see with the naked eye. It tracks the number of hairs growing out of each hair follicle, how the diameter of the hairs that are growing and coming in, and it gives us the overall regrowth percentage. So it's incredible. It's called Grow Track, and it's next level. Same with the AlmaTED, next level. This is where hair health, scalp health, wellness it's going. And I am happy to be, a part of it. Reset. We have to recalibrate here. Very slight. There we go. Now we're ready.
And so this little wand, what do you call that?
The handheld device.
The handheld device. It's like vibrating acoustically to push the serum down into my hair follicle cells. Is that, like, did I say that anywhere correctly?
Close. You're very close. You said hair follicle. That was good. It is using acoustic sound waves, which is ultrasound, to push, if you will, push and pull. It's pushing and pulling at the same time, creating like this pump action, if you will, of pushing the growth peptide serum down into the base of the hair follicle where the dermal papilla is, which is where the hair grows. And it anchors the hair follicle more strongly into the scalp environment. If you're having androgenic alopecia, that's a very good thing, very powerful thing for hair growth. It thickens up your current hair and your incoming growing hair. And it helps with your scalp being healthier. So stimulates new hair growth. It helps stimulate your body to produce new hair growth. There's no chemicals, no drugs. The growth peptide serum is full of amino acids and nutriments and things like that. So this is not minoxidil, this is not chemicals, this is not finasteride. It's
healthy. Natural?
Yeah.
Okay, well,
We're almost done.
Just wanted to share
Full treatment.
the process.
Don't be scared.
Share
Don't be scared to do this. There we go.
Share,
We're done.
Share what I'm up to.
It only takes about, once we start the treatment, it takes about 25 minutes, but we're done. And I just have to take all the clips out of James' hair. Gently give her a little comb. Yeah.
Okay. I'll be back in a month.
How does everything feel?
Fine.
Feels fine, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Look, your scalp and your hair absorb the serum. It's not like you're going to walk around with a greasy head. So even though you can't wash your hair for 24 to 48 hours, it's not a big deal. Look, it's great.
I washed my hair this morning.
Yeah, you got to come with a clean scalp, and that's it. Gorgeous. And we're done.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
I don't know how to get out.